Alright, today we're going to take a quick look at this little drone here. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. This is the TSRC Q8, and this thing is pretty cool. So let's take a look at what comes in the box, and I'll show you some more about it. So first of all, it does have a 4K camera. You can see here on my phone that I already have it connected, and you can see my face there. So this is the 4K camera here on the front, and then you have all your four wings here that kind of pull out, so you can just pull these out real easily just like that. So this is how they pop out. So it breaks down real nice and everything fits inside of here. So you get 3 batteries, so one is in it, and then you get 2 additional ones. They charge with USB-C. I forgot those cables at home, but there's cables for each one of those, and you can get 30 minutes of runtime per battery. So this thing has brushless motors as well, and it also has like a 5G transmission, which is how I'm getting the signal here. It has this like a little own Wi-Fi connection, which is pretty cool. Now you do have to have the app, and it's really easy. Just go through the manual, and you can set all that stuff up. It has GPS mode, has return home mode, has a follow me mode, and I am very amateur at flying drones, and so I'll show you some video footage here as to where I can prove how amateur I am. Now, right when you fire it up, you can kind of see the wings or the blades kind of go into the camera a little bit, but not too bad. And then also flying this, once again, I'm not a very good drone pilot. So immediately I just start going for it, moving the controls, and yet it is still producing, in my opinion, a very good video quality. And here in a second, I'm actually going to hit the ground. You're going to see me wreck and recover all at the same time. And I've beat this thing up. I've hit trees with it. I've hit my house with it. I've hit the concrete with it, as you're going to see here right now. And this thing is still working. I'm surprised, actually, that it's worked this long. But anyway, very good video quality. You can put it in different modes. You can put it in headless mode. You can put it all kinds of different modes there. So as you can see, I've had a lot of fun with this, and so let's jump back over and show you a little bit more about it. So I showed you where the battery goes. Now to connect it, you do connect it to your phone. So it does have its own Wi-Fi signal, as I talked about. It does have this controller. So this is also USB-C rechargeable. And right here on the back is where it kind of has a couple of little antennas, and then you have your adjustment here for your camera, so you can go up and down. So you can see I'm moving that, and I'm going up and down just like that. So I can take pictures, I can take videos, I can jump into the playback and see. You can see the gallery of the videos I played, and so I have one of those videos on there, obviously. You can also let's see. So when you first connect it, I'll go over this. So when you first connect it, oh, and you can toggle between, you can just hit your camera video button here as well. So once you're ready, you can trigger that without having to touch your screen. And then you can go low and high speed as well. So that's a low and high speed dial. And you can see all these going here. So you see this is in mode 2, and it tells you what the different modes do. So low, and then I can change it to high, and then I can change it to different modes. So pretty cool that you can see everything here on your screen. Now I'm going to set this on the floor. I'm actually going to switch over my camera view. I'm going to set this in the floor and see if I can't wreck this thing in my office. So once you get it all set up and you're set up in your app, it's pretty simple. Just pull the 2 joysticks kind of down diagonal to each other. And what I love is you can see the battery life of the drone, and you can see the battery life of your remote right there. I don't know if you'll see it. Yeah, right there on both of those. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started. Now, I've turned GPS mode off, and that's going to allow me to fly indoors. If I had it on, I'm not going to be able to do that. So then I'm just going to hit the takeoff button. Oh, hold on. Let's see. Let's get it started. I'm going to hit the takeoff button. There we go. So it's pretty simple to fly. Very powerful with those brushless motors. So even where I live, it's windy, especially this time of year. It's very windy, and I was able to fly this and keep control of it the entire time. So a great little drone, very durable, and for somebody even like me who doesn't fly drones that often, who is still learning about them, it's a great just kind of plug it in, charge it up, put the battery in, and get it all set up and go. It's really simple. So if you're looking for really, I mean, probably a professional. If you're a professional, you can use this for certain applications. It definitely, as a beginner like myself, I definitely recommend it. Hope this helps.